And here we are looking at 2026, and we've got some trade shows coming up. We're always excited about those. We have the ASI show in Orlando, where we'll be exhibiting on January 6th and 7th at booth number 228. And then soon after that, of course, we have the PPAI Expo in Las Vegas, Nevada, where we will be exhibiting on the 13th, 14th, and 15th. We're at booth number 3333. And I love it because anybody that knows me for all these years, you know I'm all about three things in our company. I say that our value is this. We offer the better quality products, we offer lower pricing, and we offer the faster turn time. And in our category, all that is critical. And if you're not familiar with us, I please encourage you to come stop by our exhibit, take a look at the quality of our offerings, take a look at the simplicity we do business with, and take a look at our pricing. And then understanding you can get any of these things as quick as one business day when you need to. I wish you all the best for 2026. I wish you all the best in success, and I hope we're part of that. I appreciate your time.